Hello all, welcome to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivanagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials. So today I have brought up some assorted collections. Okay, some semi-organza sarees and Banarasi jacquard sarees, and the other one is a Varanasi cotton silk sarees. Okay, it's assorted sarees, 3 to 4 sarees per collections I have today. So we will be dispatching across India and worldwide also. We are currently using DTDC, Delivery and French Express for delivery purposes. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu for singles and 100 rupees for rest of India. Okay, COD available. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra per order. Okay, total product cost plus total shipping charges plus 100 rupees extra for COD alone. Okay, so I will explain the details along with the saree displays. So first we will see semi organza sarees. Okay, so first we are going to see semi organza sarees. Okay, you have a very long border here. Okay, the down border will be very long and jacquard woven. Okay, very nice intricate weaving done, as you can see. Okay, and the upper border will be small border. Okay, it's a small border. One side is a big border and the other one is a small border, and you have the checked designs in between the saree. Actually, it's a semi organza. Okay, in single layer it will be a little transparent. Okay, but if you pleat it, it won't be transparent. It's a semi organza, not pure organza. So you have just a minute. Yeah. Okay, you have a pallu and blouse piece coming contrast as like in the border. Okay, and you have the pallu as a tissue pallu. Okay, the pallu will be tissue, and this is the body part. Okay, you have the checked design in the body part. Okay, it's all semi organza Kora silk sarees, Banarasi silk sarees. Okay, coming contrast, and this is the blouse piece. In the blouse piece also same, you have the small border in one end and the big size border in the other end with the lines. Okay, this is the first saree collection. Okay, the fabric is a semi organza Kora Banarasi. Okay, this is the first saree. Okay, you have the checked design all over the body part with jacquard woven border and a tissue pallu coming with the contrast blouse piece. Okay, the same saree I have in other colors as well. So this is the first one. It's an orange with black combination. The second one is a yellow with red. Okay, mango yellow with red. The same. Okay, same design coming with contrast red color blouse piece. Okay, the design is going to be the same, just the colors will be varying. Mango yellow with red is the second color, and the third one is a dark pink with blue combination. Okay, so this is how the saree will be looking. You have a tissue kind of a contrast border, and also the pallu. The pallu is tissue, the border is jacquard woven. So the third one is a dark pink with blue combination, and the fourth one is a Rama blue with green combination, sea green combination. So these are the 4 colors available in this particular collection. Okay, the fabric is semi organza Kora silk sarees. Okay, so these are the 4 colors. You have the tissue pallu and contrast blouse piece. Okay, the blouse will be coming as like the border color. All of these sarees, so price is 1600, 1600. Shipping is extra. So this is the first collection. The charge, the cost is 1600, 1600. Shipping extra. All of them are delicate sarees and dry wash is mandatory for these sarees. So the next one we are going to move is a Banarasi jacquard sarees, full jacquard sarees. So this is the first collection. Sorry, first saree in that collection. Just a minute. Okay. Yeah. So this is the saree. Okay. Full saree, you have a very full zari work given. Okay, in full saree you have the zari work, and as like the previous one, you have a small border in the upper end and a big border in the lower end. It's a full jacquard woven saree. Okay, this is the pallu. The pallu is also full jacquard woven, giving the contrast color. The first one is the black with red combination, and the blouse coming with jacquard again. Okay, the design and the blouse will be varying a little slightly. So this is the next saree, priced at 1100, 1100. Okay, the first one is a black with red. Okay, this is how the saree will be looking. The fabric will be very soft. Okay, the fabric will be very soft. A little weight is there. Okay, not much weight. A little weight will be there in the saree, but the fabric will be very soft and thinner only. Due to the full jacquard woven, the weight will be lightly higher, as like in the silk sarees. Okay, so this is the first color in this particular collection. It's a black with red. Price at 1100. The next one is a Rama green with Rama blue with pink. So the design will be the same, just the colors will be varying. Okay, the blue and pink, Rama blue with pink. Okay, so since the color is not clearly visible, I'm just showing you. Okay, this is the next color, blue with pink. Blouse also comes with a pink color, and next one is a maroon with green combination, different color combination in this particular collection. But this will give very rich look. Okay, so maroon with green combination, priced at 1100, full zari woven saree. Okay, blouse piece coming with this kind of a design. Okay, you have a full peacock design, as like the kanchi border. So this is the next one. Okay, all these three sarees are priced at 1100. Shipping extra. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. So you can WhatsApp me with the screenshots for all the orders and inquiries. All these are Banarasi jacquard sarees. Okay, Banarasi jacquard sarees with kanchi border. Price at 1100, shipping extra. So the next one is we are going to see is a Varanasi cotton silk collection. Okay, this fabric will be very very soft. It will not be as like our soft silk cottons. Okay, it won't be stiffer and all. It will blend nicely. Okay, the fabric will be very very soft and it will blend nicely. So this is the first saree. Okay, so you have the checked design all over the saree, big checks with a tiny border. Okay, 1 inch border in the upper part and a big size border in the lower part, full silver zari woven, priced at 800. Okay, this is a green color. This saree has the running blouse, same like the saree. So we are giving an extra tissue blouse matching with the border. Okay, so this is the saree color, priced at 800. The fabric is a Varanasi cotton silk. Okay, very very soft fabric. So I will show you the pallu, just a minute. Okay, so this is the pallu. We have a blue color, just a traditional pallu here. Full saree coming like this. Okay, it's a green with silver zari, priced at 800 rupees, shipping extra. So the same saree in other color. So other is an orange color. So this is the body part, full big checks with silver zaris, and this will be the pallu. Okay, pallu, and comes with a running blouse. So we are matching it with a silver tissue blouse. These sarees are priced at 800, shipping extra. Okay, so the same cloth, I have one saree in another design. Okay, this design will be slightly varying. It's a green with blue combination. Okay, so this is the saree design. You have the silver checks and the border comes with a contrast blue color matched with the tissue blue color blouse. Okay, this saree is also priced at 800. The same color design, but just the borders will be different. Okay, this is the pallu, a silver pallu. You have the running blouse in the saree. The saree will be having the same kind of running blouse similar to the saree. So we are just matching it with the tissue blouse to go with the borders. Okay, these last 3 sarees are priced at 800. Okay, shipping is extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu, 100 rupees rest of India for singles, and COD available. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra to the product and the shipping cost. So these are the collections I have for today. Please like my page for all my real updates. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.